welcome you back. You know what I'm saying? So you have a lot of nut jobs on. What up, my people? Just making this video because I want you to see something with the Cybertruck. So I am building a shed. Well, I'm paying somebody to build a shed for me in my house, in my new house. And we went to Home Depot and bought all the supplies. And I put 20 bags of cement, 60 pounds each, and 4x4s and a whole bunch of stuff you're gonna see. And look what it says about the load limit. So 20 bags of 60 pounds cement is like around 1,000 and something pounds, you know, and it exceeded the weight. Now I'm going to show you what else is back there. All right. Because I don't know if in other pages you guys, they explain this. Look how the back axle looks. The back axle looks like that. That's the front. There goes the front, which you really can't tell much, I don't think, but it does look like it dropped. But look, get the Nixon 4x4s, okay?
2x4s and 4x4s and 2x6.
So 2x4, 2x6, and 4x4s. So there's like 50, probably like 80 of 80 or maybe close to 100.
Wood.
Yeah, in wood. All right. So check this out. I don't know if that's going to drop, but check it out. I just want you to see the cement. But anyway, I can't do it. I'm going to have to post the video and then show the cement and all of that. But as you can see, that's what it is. I'm going to post it right now, and then I'm going to resume it once we get the wood out. So check this out. We removed some of the stuff already. And look, there goes the cement. There goes the cement and all of that. So
20.
I'm going to show you 20 bags of 60 pounds. And it said it exceeded the limit. But I'm going to show you once we get the rest of the wood off. All right, so here is the cement. So you can see 60 pounds, and there's 20 of them. There's 20 of them. So with 20 bags of cement, 60 pounds, plus the wood, it exceeded the actual recommended limit. So yeah, that's probably close to 2,000 pounds. So now you know, if you're ever going to be, you know, holding stuff and putting stuff in the thing, try not to exceed 2,000. 2,000. 2,000. So there you go. Now we're going to go back as we got some more plywood that we got to pick up. We got to pick up some plywood and then put that in the backyard to make a shed, and put that in the garage. And Nixon is going to build the shed. So if y'all need somebody to build your shed or anything like that, anything handy, you know, hit up Nixon. He does a lot of good work.
Yeah,
you know,
it's going to be more cheap.
And it's going to be cheaper because so you can have an idea. The shed that I won in Home Depot, 8x12, I think it was. 8x12 was going to be like almost $5,000, right? So Nixon was like, "Hey man, that's a lot of money. Like if you buy the material, I'll build it for you." He's going to charge me like $1,000. That's because I'm family, so you know. So $1,000, and everything came up to $1,200, and that's because I want an 8x15. So mine's going to be bigger. So 8x15. $1,200. He's going to charge $1,000, so that's $2,200 it's going to cost me to build a shed in the backyard. So
that's why the family here.
Yeah.
Family is family.
So
if you guys want to be a family with us too, just call us.
Yeah. So yeah, hit up Nixon here in Clarksville. He works weekends and whenever you need him. All right. Saturdays and Sundays. The rest of the plywood is going in there. That's like, ¿cuánto de eso, Nixon? ¿Cuánto plywood es? 25 pieces of plywood is going to go in there. Let's see if the Cybertruck says it's over the limit. Let's see if it gives me that limit thing again. Also, the